Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show what I hope is a very concise proof of the following. So we want to prove that the variance of y is equal to the expected value of the variance of y given x plus the variance of the expected value of y given x. Okay. So we saw like a super long proof of this in our lecture, and or I wasn't even there, but I saw like what people had written in their notes, and I couldn't understand it. But this is like a very, I think, easy way to do it. Okay, so we want to just recall iterated expectation. Okay, so the expected value of y given x is just equal to the expected value of y. And we want to recall that this is true not just for a random variable y, but for a function of that random variable y. So it could be y squared, something like this. Okay, so let's color code this a bit. Let's just look at this first piece over here. Okay, so we want to look at the variance of y given x. Okay, the definition of that is the expected value of y given x squared minus the expected value of y given x squared. Okay, and then we have an expectation outside of that. So we're going to be taking the expected value of this piece. Okay. By the rule of iterated expectations, we can write that this is just the expected value of y squared okay, and over here we have the expected value of the expected value of y given x squared. Okay. So you might think, well, why don't we just do the same thing? The expected value of y given x, we're taking that squared, so why can't we? Well, maybe you can, but you're just going to leave it for now, okay? We just want to let it find its mate here. Okay, so now we want to take this piece over here. Okay, so just consider variance of something, right? Well, the variance of anything is the expected value of that thing squared minus the expected value of that thing all of that squared. Okay. So at this point, we want to do our very nice cancellation, which is we see this term is being added here and subtracted here. You know, there's no trick really involved. These are algebraically the same piece, but one is with a plus sign and one is with a minus sign, so we can get rid of them. Okay. The only other simplification I want to do is just to note that by iterated expectation, the expected value of y given x is just equal to the expected value of y, and in this case it's squared. So if you look at the terms that we're left with, we have the expected, here maybe I should do like a more celebratory color. Plum is pretty celebratory. So we collect what we have left, and we have the expected value of y squared minus the expected value of y squared, but that's equal to the variance of y, which is what we were after. Okay, thank you.